Today I would like to share with you, as a buyer, how you can benefit from a supplier who has multiple location presence compared to a supplier who has single location or limited location presence. Here is how. I am Deepak Hamirwashia from Techsperts, and I would like to share this with you today. In one of my discussion with one of my very good buyers, this topic came and we discussed it, and this is what has come out. So we start with history and geography. The first point is history and geography of a location, a region, a country. I'm sure we all know there are countries who has history of clothing production or garment production, so they are at a distinct advantage of having a legacy, having a long history, and they have mastered the art of either textile manufacturing or garment manufacturing, which gives you a better choice, and they are a better supplier, a better source. So having different location with historical or geographical advantage will benefit you. Second point, relationship between different countries, relationship between different regions. We all know in today's geopolitical scenario there are relationship between different countries. Certain times there are some trade barriers, or there are some FTA agreements, so which gives you distinct advantage in buying from certain countries, and disadvantages buying from some other countries. Logistics, proximity, convenience of transit between certain countries. The transit time, the logistics takes a big cost and time involved. So definitely certain countries logistically convenient to you will give you advantage in terms of buying from those countries compared to some other locations or other countries. Then we have economies of countries. We all know when some countries are economically growing very fast, so they become uncompetitive or they become expensive, or because of degrowth in the economies, countries become competitive. So different countries have different economic growth rate, and that is one of the example is China is becoming uncompetitive, especially in garments, after their economy is growing so fast. So having different locations will give you definitely different advantages. And last but not the least, the dynamism which is happening in the world, the disruptions which are happening in the world today everywhere. So we never know when some of the countries or region which has been a conventional source for you become suddenly obsolete. Many times this happens that you had been buying from some source, some country for many years, and suddenly for one day, for some reason, this source becomes completely obsolete for you, and you are just caught off guard. So these are some of the points. If you have a supplier who has multiple location presence, they will be able to offer you the distinct advantages of distinct locations, and you will be benefited by that. If you find my inputs valuable, please share, please like, please comment. I would be happy to answer all your questions, whatever you give it to me, and see you in my next video. Thank you.